So just the other day we had 65 degrees in Lincoln, new record high. Today, a little bit cooler, 51 degrees. So we were 14 degrees, I had to do math in my head real quick, 14 degrees cooler today, but still well above average for this time of year. We should be at 37 degrees for a high this time of year. So we're never normal around here. What am I saying? 30 for a high today. And Valentine was one of the colder spots. Of course, McCook, one of the warmer spots at 54, just a little bit south and west of there, closing in on 60 degrees. Current temperatures 49 at the airport and Yankee Hill, still 50 degrees. East Campus, we'll zoom out just a touch here and show you that just about everybody's in the 40s. Beatrice and Fairbury at 52, so is Falls City. Little cooler in Wahoo at 39, but generally middle and upper 40s to around the lower 50s. Not much wind either. It makes so much better when there's no wind out there. Out of the south and east, around 5, 10, maybe 15 miles per hour. There's the cloud cover. It was a gray day, so I was a little surprised to see temperatures in the 50s. Usually this time of year you need a lot of sunshine to get into the 50s, but there's no snow on the ground, so that helps. And now with some, clearing skies, all that cloud cover moving to the south. And then there's another different boundary that's pushing. Look at all this snow from the intersection of I-35 and I-90. That's Albert Lea right there. Plenty of snow headed towards the Twin Cities, a little rain snow mix towards Waterloo. And then the rest of us, very quiet, maybe a couple of sprinkles or two, maybe even a few flurries as you get towards Kimball, just south of Scotts Bluff, maybe a couple of flurries on and off in parts of the Panhandle, but overall very quiet from one side of the state to the other. That will try to change. Now, Stormcast has not much going on. By 6:30 in the morning, clear skies. I think the clouds increase as we head through the late morning into the early afternoon hours. Some high clouds to the south, maybe some mid-level clouds for central and northeastern Nebraska, but no precipitation yet. Now, as we get into Monday night, the clouds continue to increase a little bit. A little bit of light precipitation tries to come our way, tries to change over to a little rain snow mix in parts of southwestern Iowa. This just scoots off into southeastern Nebraska, the extreme southeastern Nebraska. Pauses a little bit here. We might get a little mixed precipitation from Lincoln to Omaha. I think most of this is in Iowa, but again, this is close enough. And it's Tuesday morning, 7:30 in the morning. So if you have travel plans from Omaha to Lincoln or vice versa, you could see a little light mixed precipitation, maybe a little freezing drizzle as well. So that's something we're watching closely. And then everything pushes off to the east, changes into all snow north of Interstate 80 into parts of Iowa, but notice Nebraska, very quiet. And plenty of sunshine as we head through the day on Tuesday, maybe a few more clouds as we head into very early Wednesday morning. So here's your forecast. Tonight, temperatures very mild. We should be in the teens. We'll see 20s and 30s. Highs, again, this is above average, 46 degrees. We should be at 36, so 10 degrees above average. But you notice we're getting colder as each day goes by. 30 degrees for the overnight tonight, decreasing those clouds. A mild one and a mild start means a mild day tomorrow, 46, above average by 10 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Not much of a wind either out of the northwest. There's that light mixed precipitation possibility, maybe 20%. Wednesday and Thursday, look at that, cold. We'll see those temperatures drop into the 20s for highs on Wednesday, and then Thursday we rebound back to around normal, a little warmer, a 40-degree temperature on the map as we head towards the end of 2021 and go into 2022, and cold for the first couple of days of the new year, but it is January after all.
I was going to say, we've had it pretty easy so far, so I guess those single-digit lows are expected.
Yeah, and it looks like it'll warm up after that, so a little up and down.
All right, thanks, Rusty. Well, coming up in sports, dozens of NBA players were